Good day, everyone. US President Donald Trump has given the order with immediate effect for the US to start nuclear weapons testing again. And the reason that is given for this is the fact that many other nations are testing the nuclear weapons. France has said that they are looking at starting nuclear weapons testing again. And I just ask myself, why is this even a topic of discussion? Why would people grandstand on the basis of nuclear weapons? Russia recently tested what they claim to be a nuclear-powered nuclear weapon. And this weapon could fly for many hours, which is unusual and makes it very difficult for anti-nuclear missile technology to actually take that weapon out. And, you know, what is being put out in the mainstream media and what is actually happening behind the scenes are two completely different things. And for Donald Trump to get to the point now where he publicly states in a Truth Social post, as he usually does, that the US will now start with immediate effect to do nuclear weapons testing again, it says a lot. It means that we are getting to a phase now where this fear that will be put into people across the world will be used to take more of our freedoms away. And I will speak more about that in the members live chat tonight at 8 o'clock. So if you are a member on this channel, if you're a community member, do come and join us tonight for that community members live chat. It starts at 8:30. But just understand that in the past, when I said in my meetings, my Double Days meetings, that everything is about nuclear, a lot of people might not understand that. But at the end of the day, when you see how the world works, how politics is put together, how resources are distributed across the world, everything is about nuclear. It's about the person with the biggest gun in the room, the one willing to pull the trigger. That's what it's all about. Trump has made this clear now with this move. And the people that are anti-nuclear, I don't know how you're going to feel, because more nuclear power stations are going to be built than ever in the history of the world. And it's going to happen at a rapid rate because of the development of AI data centers. And nuclear weapons are now going to be tested left, right, and center. Let's see how you deal with that, how you feel about that. I'm not sure that there's much that you can do. This is a preset plan that has been set in motion, and people will see the after effects and the transition to that kind of world where people in the end fear everything and are willing to hand over all their freedoms for a new world order. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. And for those of you that joined our live Zoom last night, for the interactive members, that Zoom has been loaded. Please do go and watch it. Lots of important advice given in that interactive that happened last night. So do go and watch it from beginning to end and benefit from your membership on the channel. Thanks so much. Till the next video.